Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making strawberry crunch cookies with a cream cheese filling. If you're interested in seeing how I made them, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment and look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. Alright guys, so we are going to start by making our cream cheese filling for the cookies. The recipe for everything will be down below in the description box of this video, but we're going to start by adding 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature to our bowl. To this, we're going to add 1 3/4 cups of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and we're going to go in with roughly a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix all these ingredients until well combined. Alright guys, so now that we have this well combined, I'm going to continue to mix until I've worked out all of the lumps. Then I'm going to place this in a smaller bowl, place that bowl in the freezer. Before we add this filling to our cookies, we want it to be nice and firm so it can kind of hold its shape as the cookie bakes. So I'm going to continue to mix until I work out all the lumps, and then we'll be back to make our cookie dough. So now we're going to get started on our cookie dough. To start, we'll be using 1 box of the Duncan Hines Perfectly Moist Strawberry Supreme Cake Mix, 15.25 ounce box. To this, we're going to add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, and a couple teaspoons of vanilla extract. We're going to mix all these ingredients together until everything is well combined. Alright, so while our oven is preheating, we're going to go ahead and cover this and put this in the refrigerator so it can cool a bit itself, and then we'll be right back. Alright, so here we have our cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. For the 2 scoops that I'll be using, this scoop will be for the cookie dough. This will be for the cream cheese filling, but I'll also get some cookie dough in this as well to cover up the cream cheese once we scoop it in, but you guys will see in just a second. So here I have a scoop. I don't know how much these are going to spread as they bake, so I'm just going to do 4 at a time to start. So now I'm going to take the smaller scoop and make a little indentation. Then I'm going to take this same scoop, get some of our cream cheese filling, and then put it right in the center of the cookie. Okay, so I've rinsed the smaller scoop off. Now we're going to put some more of the cookie dough in. I'm just going to put it in my hand, press it down a bit, and then we're going to cover the cream cheese just like that. So I'm thinking these cookies will need roughly 15 minutes to bake. I'll keep an eye on them, and I'll let you guys know exactly how long it takes in my oven when I remove them. But here are our first 4 cookies done. I'm gonna go ahead and place these in the oven and I'll see you guys shortly. Here are our cookies after 15 minutes in the oven. They did spread out quite a bit, so I am glad I only did 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a few more and then we'll be back with the next step. Okay guys, so the recipe made a total of 7 cookies. Off camera, I have melted some candy melts using a double boiler method. I added some candy melts and coconut oil, melted, mixed until well combined. You're welcome to use a microwave. That's easier for you. I've done both. Also off camera, we have made some strawberry crunch. I did not make this on camera because I've done it several times on my channel already. If you do not know how to make strawberry crunch, I do have a video dedicated to that. I will link that in the cards right now, in the upper right hand corner of the screen, as well as the description box of this video. We are going to start by dipping half of our cookie in the chocolate, and then we are going to sprinkle our candy melts on top of that so it sticks. All right, so here we have our candy melts. We are going to start by dipping our cookie in. We want to cover as close to half the cookie as possible. Then we're gonna kind of hold it and wait for the excess to drip off. We don't want to shake it too much because our cookies are soft and we don't want them to break in the process. So here we have our strawberry crunch. I'm just going to sprinkle on top. Flip over. Do the same thing on the other side. And here we have our first cookie. So I'm gonna go ahead, sit that down, let that solidify, and then we're gonna repeat these steps for the rest of the cookies. Now we're not quite done with the cookies yet. Here I've placed some of the melted candy melts in a piping bag. I'm just going to cut the very tip of this bag off, and then we're going to do a drizzle effect on the cookies. I don't have these facing the same way. I don't want to move them because they've not yet solidified, so I'm just going to move my board around a bit. And then we're just going to go back and forth. All right, so we are going to leave this alone, let them solidify. Then we're going to do our other 3 cookies, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished product. Here we have our finished product, our strawberry crunch cookies with a cream cheese filling. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Also, do not forget to click that bell, turn on your post notifications so you're notified anytime a new video goes live. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.